Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on one of the scene from the movie Super Deluxe.
Yes, so we have the famous Vijay Satapathy sir
Yes.
here. Okay, so we are very much excited for the scene because we have done the trailer reaction already Super Deluxe ka in Mr. and Mrs. Pandit original channel. So
Yes.
go and check that out, and that this whole movie Super Deluxe is having its own level.
And
क्योंकि Vijay Satapathy sir is playing the role of a transgender here.
Yes, and he has done a fabulous job.
Fabulous job.
The makeup and all, and whatever the things is there, it's perfectly matching.
Perfectly matching, yes.
We can talk more about this scene also
Yes.
after watching this one.
After watching this one, so let's get started without wasting any time. And before that, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Yes.
छोटा सा बच्चा.
हाँ पाल.
His expression.
वो कुछ अलग सोचा था.
Milkman.
ரொம்ப ஆடாத ராஸ்குட்டி எல்லாம் புடிங்கிட்டு போயிட போகுது. இங்க பாரு ஜோதி, அது வந்தது சட்டையை பிடிச்சி ஒளிப்பி கேளு, எங்கடா விட்டு போன கடங்கார அத்தனை வருஷமானு.
வந்ததும் பிரச்சனை ஆரம்பிக்காதம்மா ப்ளீஸ்.
ஜோதி, நீயும் நகை நட்டெல்லாம் போட்டுக்கிட்டு பார்க்க லட்சணமா இருமா. எத்தனை வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் உன்னை மாணிக்கம் பார்க்க போறான்.
ஆமா, அழகு பத்தலண்டே ஓடி போனானாக்கு உன் பிள்ளை. ஓடுகாலி பிள்ளைய பத்துட்டு பேசுற பேச்சுதான் என்ன.
He took bath so quickly, or what? Okay. Cheating man. What he is trying to do?
Oh God, what he is doing?
Oh, welcome.
Oh.
Wow. So much clever.
இன்னைக்கு அப்பா வந்துருவார்லம்மா.
வந்துருவாரா ராஸ்குட்டி?
அப்ப நேத்து ஏன் வரல?
என்னாச்சுன்னு தெரியலையேப்பா.
அண்ணா இன்னைக்கு கண்டிப்பா வந்துருவார்ல?
கண்டிப்பா வந்துருவாரா?
இப்பதான் வராரு. டயர்டா இருப்பான்லாம் சொல்லிடாத. நான் அவரை கண்டிப்பா ஸ்கூலுக்கு கூட்டு போகணுமா? அம்மா, நேத்தே ஏன் வரலன்னு என்ன எல்லாரும் என்ன பண்ண தெரியுமா? என்ன எல்லாம் டெஸ்ட் பேபின்னு சொல்றாங்கம்மா.
Sleeps is like that.
ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்னா அப்படிதான் கிண்டல் பண்ணுவாங்க. நீ கவலைப்படாத.
அப்ப நான் அவர் வந்தோடனே ஸ்கூலுக்கு கூட்டு போட்டா?
கூட்டிட்டு போ. அவர் உனக்காக தானே வராரு. எங்க வேணா கூட்டிட்டு போ. நாங்க நாளைக்கு கூட பேசிப்போம். சரியா?
ஐயா அப்பா வந்துட்டாரு.
He'll always go and open the door.
Take Vijay Satapathy sir.
ராஸ்குட்டி தொப்பா வந்துட்டானா?
ராசுகுட்டி.
வணக்கம்மா, நம்ம இது
His name is
His name Rasukutti.
கண்டிப்பா வந்துட்டானா?
வாயா பெரிய மச்சான்.
போங்கடா, எப்படி இருக்க?
நல்லா இருக்கேன்.
This is that kind of area, मतलब red zone.
No, I don't know.
Not
I don't
sure.
think so. It is somebody homes, I guess.
அதெல்லாம் போன வருஷமே
Hmm.
ஆயிடுமா? என்னம்மா,
Somebody.
ஒரு 6 வருஷம் ஆயிருக்குமா? 7 வருஷம் ஆச்சுனே. இன்னையோட உன்னை பிடிச்சி 7 முடிஞ்சதுன்னு நினைச்சிக்குமா?
Like us only, they are cutting no sabzi.
போய் குளிப்போ.
Oh, new t-shirt, no shirt.
நீ என்ன நினைக்கிற மலரு? ஆமா, ராத்திரியில விட்டு ஓடி போனவன் என்ன புத்தனாவா திரும்பி வர போறான்? நீ வேணா பாரு, ஒரு சேட்டு பொண்ணை கல்யாணம் பண்ணிட்டு வந்து நிக்க போறான். இவளுக மூஞ்சி எல்லாம் நல்லா சுண்டக்கா மாதிரி மாறப்போகுது. இது நான் குடிக்கிற காஃபி மேல சத்தியம்.
for someone.
நான் வேணா ரயில்வே ஸ்டேஷன்ல போய் பார்த்துறட்டுமா?
இவ்வளோ தூரம் வந்தவங்க அப்போ நான் காக்காவை தூக்கிட்டு போயிட போகுது. போய் சாப்பிடும் போத.
இல்லை நான் அப்போ வந்தானே அவரோடயே சாப்பிட்டுக்கிறேன்.
ராஸ்குட்டி, நாளைலேருந்து அப்பாவோட சாப்பிட்டுக்கலாம். இன்னைக்கு பசியா இருக்காத, வா. சேகருக்கு பொண்ணு பார்த்தாச்சு.
He also eating. Oh man, idli.
Idli, your favorite, am I?
Yes, I like it.
Even I also like.
He went other direction. Okay. Water. Oof.
Wow.
What a get-up she has given.
He looks stunned.
Everybody is stunned, right? Wow.
The expression, man. Oh my goodness. I think he is the head of the family, like he is that woman's husband. Eventually he has disguised himself as a lady. That is why everybody was stunned. I think he went somewhere, like what I am thinking, I am not sure about
So
that. I think
we
that
have to watch
baby,
that movie.
that baby Rasa Kutti, I think, he wanted that when my father will be coming, something like that. I think he is again and again opening the door, and everybody was like waiting. Maybe his father went to somewhere to do some work or something related to that. After that, when he returned back, he is totally into some different disguise.
Right?
So that is why everybody was like stunned. What is it?
Okay.
And Vijay Sethupathi sir, I think he forgot that he is on in a woman avatar, and that is why he was smiling and he was like going forward. But after that, when everybody was stunned, he was like, okay. Then he, I think, understood. Okay, I am not in a normal get-up. maybe this is the concept. I am not sure.
Yes, if that is also a concept, it could be a good one, right?
Good one. This is the intro video actually. Maybe this is the at the very beginning of the movie, not sure, because this is the Vijay Sethupathi intro video.
I think this will be the starting of this movie, right?
Starting of this movie, maybe then story will be revealed.
Story will carry on.
What will be happen? Like why he has disguised like that? Of course, we don't know why he has disguised like that.
Or he is from beginning only like that only.
Like that only from
Maybe
beginning.
we misunderstood the concept. That can also happen, right?
That can also happen, but I think from beginning he cannot be like that because he has मतलब बच्चा पैदा हुआ तो ऐसे पहले से ऐसे नहीं हो सकता, right? So and I really love. I just want to point out that part where the lady, she was really excited. She was doing the sindoor and all, and she was literally like make herself see in the mirror that whether she is looking good or not, because her husband, maybe ये लड़कियां कब करती है या औरत लोग कब करते हैं जब husband आते हैं generally. So I think she was having a lot of more expectation, but when she saw in front of her eyes that her husband is looking like that, her expression, this portion were like trembling, her and her eyes and everything was like full of teary and all. My goodness, this is the acting.
The child
उसका lips
cute
उसका lips ऐसे था.
The way he was talking, oh my god.
छोटू सा lips है, tiny lips, and he was telling something. Not sure whether he was telling.
The word he was telling, we can't also speak, right?
We can't. So that was a very cute, very emotional also at a very extent, and very very good content we have
I think
seen
whatever
today.
you have told that if that is the context, it will be a good movie as well. We need to watch that movie.
Yes, and
the
I didn't
get-up.
understand. You have understood that portion where like people are coming, a lot more people are coming. They were sitting. The two old ladies were talking. I didn't understand
I
what
think
the
that can be a joint
concept.
family, so everybody is coming home to meet him.
Okay, maybe
Right,
they have
were
gotten the
waiting,
information.
yes,
they were waiting that
yes.
that person
After
is coming
a long
now.
time he is returning back
Maybe
home,
हाँ
right?
हो सकता है. So this
Maybe.
movie is Vijay Sethupathi sir's career most extraordinary movie.
Yes.
We have already done 25 facts of Vijay Sethupathi sir in Mr. and Mrs. Pandit
That was
channel.
also, and this part was
Just
also
go and
included,
watch
right?
that. Yes, we will be like giving the link in the description bar. Just you have to see the 25 facts about Vijay Sethupathi sir. There also it was like mentioned beautifully that he has done a lot more thing for this
And also
movie. Super deluxe.
and also we are expecting that he should get some awards for
Awards
particular
for
this
this.
this get up.
But he has not gotten even
we
one
heard
film
that.
fare के लिए भी nomination नहीं
Right.
आया. We have heard in the 25
Yes.
facts only. So that was a very bad thing, and it is not giving any encouragement to the actors.
And
This
one
is
more
very
thing, that if you
pathetic.
don't know Vijay
हाँ.
Sethupathi sir, then and first time you are watching him in this get up, you will be totally confused.
And you cannot say that this person is Vijay Sethupathi sir only.
Yes,
right?
exactly.
He was carrying himself like a lady only.
Yes.
Na?
Because we know him, that's why we are able to recognize him.
Yeah.
Else we wouldn't have recognized
Oh
him.
my goodness, अरे ये मेकअप करने में 4 घंटा लगता था.
Yes.
4 hours long.
Right.
You know,
And
it
taking
took
off that
taking
makeup,
2 hours.
it took 2 hours.
2 hours. मतलब
2 hours,
prosthetic
my
makeup
goodness.
हाँ from Hollywood actually. So clap. We can give respect like this only. And yes, I really love the whole picturization also. जो picturization था, camera angle and everything, it was very
kind of
good.
a normal home
हाँ.
where everybody is there working as usual, right?
As
at
usual,
home.
हाँ. He
Yes.
was that lady was combing hair
Yes.
after bath, and
cutting
it is
that
very
vegetables
real,
and
cutting
all.
vegetables, very middle class backgrounded
Yes.
family. Ants were like running in the wall,
In the wall,
like we
yes.
used to say in our
Right,
home,
right.
right?
And
It is
also,
very
this
familiar
thing,
kind of.
welcome some kind
Welcome
of lightly
sign of light.
blue, that one, right?
हाँ.
So we also used to do something, if welcome kind of things we
हाँ,
put,
कोई
we
आता
also,
है तो
we also
घर में.
feel very excited,
Very
right?
excited. Lights fights लगाते हैं.
Yes.
So it is very relatable. Like
Yeah.
whether you are from South India or North India or any portion of India, the happiness, the token of happiness
and
is
most of the
similar.
culture will be
is equal
similar,
only.
right.
Okay, so I really love this whole मतलब movie scene, Vijay Sethupathi sir intro scene. There are a lot more movie scenes are there from Super Deluxe movie. If you want to know, definitely let us know in the
Yes.
comment bar. We'll be like loving to do that because Super Deluxe movie itself is an iconic one.
Yeah,
So
that's
we would
true.
like love to give the reaction on this.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, that is it for today's video. You just tell us how you feel about this scene and what is the context. You can definitely let us know. Okay, so yeah, that is it for today's video. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this with your friends and family. See you in our next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.